In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Webflow Custom Dropdown Menus Tutorial 2019. We're going to walk through setting up and fine-tuning a custom dropdown so it feels smooth, intentional, and easy for your visitors to use. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer. Make sure you're in the designer view, not the editor, so you can access all the component controls we'll use. Once your canvas loads, navigate to the page and section where your drop-down lives. This is often in the navigation bar or a menu section, but it can be anywhere in your layout. Next, click directly on the drop-down component on the canvas to select it. If you've layered elements, the navigator panel is handy for selecting the exact drop-down wrapper without accidentally grabbing a sibling element. When it's selected, you should see its blue outline on the canvas and the component label, confirming you're working with the right element. With the drop-down highlighted, open the element settings panel. You'll find this via the settings icon in the right sidebar. This panel is where Webflow exposes the behavior and controls specific to the dropdown, such as whether it opens on click or hover, and how it transitions in and out. Keeping your selection active while you adjust settings ensures you immediately see the effect on the correct component. Inside the settings, toggle the menu open so you can preview it on the canvas while you work. This is particularly useful for checking spacing, typography, and positioning of the drop-down list and its links. When the menu is open, you can visually confirm alignment and ensure nothing is clipping or overlapping unintentionally. Now click on Close Delay. This control sets how long Webflow waits before closing the drop-down after your cursor leaves the trigger or menu area. A small delay helps prevent frustrating accidental closures when users move their mouse slightly outside the bounds of the drop-down. Think of it as a buffer for real-world navigation, especially helpful when menus have multiple items or sub-areas. You can experiment with different values to match your design's feel. A shorter delay feels snappier. A slightly longer delay can be more forgiving. Just keep it subtle so the interface stays responsive. Before wrapping up, give your changes a quick test. Use Preview to move your cursor in and out of the dropdown and confirm the timing feels natural. Also, consider how the dropdown behaves on touch devices. Click to open is typical on mobile, so make sure it remains usable there. When everything looks and feels right, you're all set. That's how to customize a drop-down menu in Webflow with a polished close delay for a better user experience.